Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can send money to Pakistan via this Ria money transfer. So I have opened here my desktop and here you have this login and register. As we already have an account, so I will just go and I will log in here. And if you don't have any account, then you can go and you can register yourself here. As we are not new here, so I will just go and I will log in here. Now here you can see their homepage, and for sending money just you have to go and you have to click on send money. Now here you have to select the country to which you want to send the money. So as we want to send to Pakistan, after selecting the country, here you have to write the amount of money you want to send. You can also see here the exchange rate as well, and you can see the money you are sending in your own currency and what the recipient will receive in their currency. You can see these things here. After that, here you have to go and you have to select a payment method. Here you have this credit card and debit card. You can choose here whatever fits you best, and I will just go debit card here. Then here you have this delivery methods. Here you have this cash pickup, bank and mobile wallet as well. Here I will choose the cash pickup, and here you have this promo code. You can add any promo code if you have any, otherwise it's okay to skip. Just click on continue now. Now here they will ask you to add a recipient. You can go and you can add. Here you can choose like if you want to send to yourself or if you want to send to somebody else. You can choose these things here. Once done, you can write here all this information about the recipient. Here you have to write the country, the name, address, and then you can also choose here network. Here you have many options. You can write here any specific network or bank and you can research for that. Then here you have to choose a method. You can go with the previous one or you can add a new one here. Now here you can see all the detail. Just you have to go and you have to click on send for sending this money, and that was basically all about how you can send money to Pakistan via this Ria money transfer. Now let's talk about transfer fees and exchange rates. Fee depend upon the payment method and amount. Bank transfer usually have lower fees, and debit and credit card payments are faster but slightly more expensive. If we talk about the government support, Pakistan Remittance Initiative (PRI), Ria is a part of the PRI program, a joint effort by State Bank of Pakistan, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Overseas Pakistanis. This ensures no charge for recipient. Government regulates the delivery time and legal and safe transfer, increase transparency and reduce fraud. And if we talk about the limit and requirements, maximum and minimum limit vary by country and payment method. For example, from the USA, you can spend up to 3,000 per day only. Now here in the last, I will answer some of the common questions asked by different people. Can a recipient in Pakistan receive money without a bank account? Yes, via cash pickup from a local bank or agent. How fast is a bank deposit to Pakistan? Often within minutes, in some cases up to 24 hours. Is there a fee for the receiver? No, recipients in Pakistan do not pay to receive money. And that was basically all about how you can transfer your money safely to Pakistan. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.